Mapa-instant coffee man, traditional brew, wenno cafe serve coffee. Awan ti panagdudwa na unegi ti panagayat dagiti Ilocano iti kape. No dati may bilang laing daytoy a morning drink nga isu ti mangted ti energy a pamanasangwen iti aldaw. Itan, uray anya nga oras. Nagbalin daytoy na may saka dagiti paborito nga inumen dagiti Ilocano. Dito'y probinsya uray sa dinno asuli. Narway dagiti coffee shops ken agtultuloy da maninayunan. Itay laing kalabes, may sa manen na coffee shop tinalukatan iti may sa amol iti syudad Tilawag.
All the locals here, we see that there's a lot of coffee enthusiasts, especially for the younger generation. And we really know that there's a market here for foam coffee. Well, number one, we have good coffee. And we offer something that other coffee shops doesn't have. We concentrated more on the coffee, on the foam, I mean to say, the foam. And the beans itself, we roast it in Baguio. We have a roaster in Baguio. So we source out the beans and we roast it. And we made sure that our baristas are well-trained.
Kunati agtagikwa iti coffee shop ana pintas ti taray ti coffee trend iti Sibubukela probinsya. Saan laing na dagiti nataengan ken dagiti mangmangged iti mahilig, ngem ket di patipay dagiti agtutubo. Gapu iti coffee trend saan laing na napintas adamag daytoy para kalagiti coffee lovers, ngem ket di patipay dagiti agar-arapaap a makaipatakder iti bukod da pagkapyan.
I am a big fan of foam coffee. So we met up with the owner of Foam Coffee and we discussed the potential of bringing it here in Lawag. And it was really something that was promising. That's why we decided to bring it here. And everything aligned because there was a spot here in SM that was open for us.
Saan nga endemic iti coffee tree iti Pagilian. Ngem gaputa sumagmamanon agasot at awen sipud iti mayasdeg ti kape iti Pagilian, nagbalinday tuya na paset ti bukod tayo a kultura ken tradisyon. Iti kaadda tayo niti third wave coffee era. Inot met nga umununeg ti panagayat ken panagapresyar dagiti coffee lovers iti paborito da nga inumen.
It's really expanding, okay? Especially with the younger generation, mga Gen Z right now. We can see na they're very into third wave coffee right now. So if you can see here in Lawag, there's a lot of small coffee shops and they serve great coffee. So, I think we're getting there na, alam mo, nagiging sophisticated na rin yung taste natin sa coffee. Third wave coffee, ito yung, I think we experiment with all the aromas and the notes to bring out more detailed flavor of the coffee. Hindi na lang to yung parang instant coffee or the coffee that you just mix with any other milk or sugar. Right now, we are more of bringing out the real flavor of the coffee kasi may mga origins din yan eh.
Ka-Solid North, napait man wenno na samit, nalamis man wenno na pudot, anya iti paborito maklase ti kape ken apay. Share your story with us bayat iti panangrambak tayo iti International Coffee Day itanga aldaw. Mark Magdirila, Balitang Solid North.